Yes, welcome back students. We are doing consignment. Problem number second we are supposed to do. But before starting the sum, okay, would like to put few things in front of you. I'm very happy that you all are following and you are trying to understand through digital format, to do digital platform. You are trying to cope up and I'm seriously very happy with it. Okay, first of all, congratulations to all of you, and I'm clapping for you that you all are really doing a great job, and thank you so much for accepting us in this way. We know because of COVID we are unable to take offline classes. Interaction is not there and we are taking the help of digital format, okay, or digital platform. But students, you need not to worry. As soon as college reopens, whatever chapters we are completing, okay, I'm giving you a word. Again, I'm going to repeat you offline as well. So you need not to worry about it, okay. Only the thing what you need to do is, you just need to maintain records. You need to listen class, okay. Whatever is there, try to put everything on your notebook, okay, or any paper, okay. See, if you don't have textbook, you don't worry. If it is possible to go out and purchase, do it. If it is not under your control, if it is not possible for you to go out and purchase, you need not to take up pressure. I will share questions with you, okay. Second important thing is, it might happen that we are doing one chapter and we are having doubts in previous chapter. Please feel free to ask me, okay. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये चैप्टर चल रहा है तो आपको इसी चैप्टर के डाउट्स पूछने हैं, बिल्कुल नहीं. You can ask me any doubts from any chapter at any point of time. And all your doubts will get clarified. It is a promise from my side, okay. But the thing is, your efforts, your regularity, your punctuality matters a lot, okay. So कुछ ना करने से अच्छा है कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहो, ओके. एंड वी नो दैट वी ऑल आर हैविंग अ ग्रुप ऑन व्हाट्सएप, ओके. सो प्लीज़ मेक अ पॉइंट दैट कि कोई भी डाउट्स है या कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है तो यू कैन पिंग मी एट एनी टाइम एंड आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स, ओके. सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 ऑफ कंसाइनमेंट. अभी कल हम लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 किया था, मैं डायरेक्टली 3 पे जंप कर रही हूँ. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज सी स्टूडेंट्स, इन यस्टरडेज प्रॉब्लम वी हैव लर्नड how to prepare consignment account, how to pass journal entries in the books of consignor and consignee with the help of ledger, okay. So basically in your exam also they will not ask you to pass journal entry on all journal entries and all, because that is going to be little lengthy, whereas some will come only for 10 marks. So most of the time they will ask you to prepare only ledgers, okay. So I taught you in the last class how to pass journal entries with the help of ledger, but the ledgers are very crucial part, you cannot escape, okay. So problem number 2 is very much similar to problem number 1, only numbers are going to be different, rest of the things are similar, okay. So that's why I'm skipping problem number 2 and today I'm going to do problem number 3 of page number 94, okay. So page number 94, problem number 3. I'm reading the problem, students pay attention. If you don't have textbook, अगर आपके पास textbook नहीं है तो please express students, I will send you questions as well, okay. तो question नहीं है तो आप सब नहीं करोगे, ऐसे मत करो, okay. आपको जो possible way से हम help कर सकते हैं, we are always there for you, okay. I'm reading the question, pay attention. Krishna of Mumbai and Gopal of Chennai are in consignment business. Gopal sent goods to Krishna, okay. So see, first we need to find out who is a consignor and who is a consignee. Gopal is sending the goods, so who is a Gopal? Gopal is going to be our consignor, okay. And किसे भेज रहा है वो goods? He is sending goods to Krishna, so Krishna is going to be our consignee. Now you have to think from Gopal's point of view, because you are a consignor, okay, and you are sending goods to Krishna, so Krishna will be our consignee. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are just sending the goods. किसे send कर रहे हैं? कृष्णा को send कर रहे हैं. क्यों सेंड कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज कृष्णा इज अवर कंसाइनी और वी कैन से दैट कृष्णा इज अवर एजेंट. ही इज गोइंग टू सेल द गुड्स ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ अस फॉर विच ही विल गेट कमीशन. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Gopal paid. Who is Gopal? We are Gopal. We means who? We are the consignors right now. Okay. Gopal paid freight 500, insurance 1500. Krishna met sales expenses 900. Krishna sold entire stock for rupees 20,000 and he is entitled to a commission of 5% on sale. Prepare necessary ledgers in the books of Gopal and Krishna. Okay, so now ledgers, generally they will ask you to prepare ledgers only. Okay, very rarely, hardly once or twice they ask to pass journal entries, but rest of the time 90% they will ask you to pass prepare ledgers only. So see students, in the books of Gopal, who is Gopal? Gopal is consignor. Okay, and we know that in the books of consignor, how many ledgers we are going to prepare? We are going to prepare 3 ledgers. What are those? First one is consignment account. Okay, consignment account divided into 2 parts: particulars amount, particulars and amount. Are you getting this? Okay, first ledger will be in the books of consignor we are going to prepare consignment account. Second we are going to prepare Krishna's account, that is consignee's account. Are you understanding this? This will also have 2 parts, debit and credit. Here particulars amount, particulars and amount. Okay, and third ledger will be GSOC account. What does it means? GSOC means goods sent on consignment account, divided into 2 parts: particulars amount. Here particulars and amount. Okay, yes. Okay, see, pay attention. In the books of consignor, how many accounts I am going to prepare? I am going to prepare 3 ledgers. What are those? Consignment account, consignee's account and GSOC account. Okay, is that clear? Whatever we have done in our introduction class, same thing I am revising, right? I am not doing any innovations. Okay, whatever we have learned before, same things we are going to continue. Okay, now let's read the first line. What are they saying? You need to think from whose point of view? Gopal. Okay, because Gopal is a consignor. Now again थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कराएंगे. Consignment account is a business account or we can say that it is a nominal account. क्यों प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज इस अकाउंट से हमें पता चलेगा whether we are making profit or we are suffering from losses. Okay, then see, this is a nominal account, so which principle we are going to follow? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. कृष्णा इसलिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज हमारे गुड्स उसके पास है, वो हमारा एजेंट है, वो हमारे लिए काम कर रहा है, इसीलिए वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग कंसाइनीज अकाउंट. इट इज़ अ पर्सनल अकाउंट. सो विच प्रिंसिपल वी विल फॉलो? डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. ओके, and GSOC, here we are talking about our goods. Okay, the goods with which we are dealing. Okay, जिसे हम लोग भेज रहे हैं, जिसे हम लोग सेल करके पैसा कमाने वाले हैं. So here we are talking about the goods, so it is a real account. तो रियल अकाउंट मतलब कौन सा प्रिंसिपल? डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. वेरी गुड. Now what is happening? Who are we? We are the consignor. What is our name right now? Our name is Gopal. Okay, now we are sending goods to Krishna. कितने रुपीस के गुड्स सेंड कर रहे हैं? वी आर सेंडिंग गुड्स वर्थ रुपीज 10,000. So first entry will be consignment account debit to GSOC account 10,000. Okay, we are sending goods to GSOC 10,000. Here it is to GSOC. Am I preparing GSOC? Yes. तो उसका साइमल्टेनियस इफेक्ट यहाँ पे 2 है, तो हियर आई विल राइट बाय, क्रॉस कनेक्शन ध्यान में रखो. सो हियर आई विल राइट बाय कंसाइनमेंट. प्लीज अनपढ़ों की तरह बाय GSOC मत लिखो. ओके, GSOC में GSOC का नाम नहीं आता है, उसकी कौन सा लेजर है? कंसाइनमेंट. सो हियर आई विल राइट बाय कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट हाउ मच? 10,000. Are you understanding this? First step is clear. Okay. Now what are they saying? See, they are saying that Gopal paid freight 500 and insurance 1500. Who are we? We are consignor. We are Gopal. So we are spending amount. Okay. Debit all expenses. So here I am writing to cash account. How much? 500 rupees and how much? 1500 rupees. 500 plus 1500 how much? 2000. Am I preparing cash account anywhere? No. So simultaneous effect will not appear. Now next what are they saying is Krishna made sell expenses 900. See who is making expense? Krishna. पर किसके लिए कर रहा है वो? अपने लिए ही कर रहा है. Debit all expenses. So here I am writing to Krishna's account in bracket expenses 900. Here we are writing Krishna. Krishna का ledger prepare कर रहे हैं? Yes. So here simultaneous effect will come. Here it is 2. So here I will write by consignment. What I am writing? By consignment account. What is the amount? 900. Okay. Next what are we doing is Krishna sold the entire stock for 20,000. Sale is an income or expense? Yes, sale is an income. जब हम लोग गुड्स सेल करेंगे तब हमें क्या मिलेंगे? पैसा मिलेगा. पर who is getting that money? कृष्णा. लेकिन कृष्णा अल्टीमेटली वो कौन है? He is agent of ours. तो कृष्णा का इनकम लेटर ऑन किसका इनकम बनेगा? हमारा इनकम बनेगा. So here I am writing by Krishna's account. In bracket I will write sales. कितने रुपीस को सेल किया है? 20,000. अगेन हियर बाय कृष्णा है तो कृष्णा में मैं लिखूंगी टू कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट 20,000. Okay, let's not put commas. Okay, 20,000. Are you understanding this? Next what are they saying is, see, he is entitled to a commission 5% on sales. See, whatever sales he has made, on that he will get 5% commission. ही मतलब कौन? कृष्णा. उसके लिए ही तो वो हमारे साथ काम कर रहा है. So कृष्णा को we are going to pay the amount. Are we paying right now? No, we will pay in future, right? So here I will write to Krishna's account in bracket, right? कमीशन. ओके, कैलकुलेट करो. कमीशन हमेशा किस पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? सेल पे. सी, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू कैलकुलेट कमीशन ऑन GSOC. कितने भी रुपीस के गुड्स हो, ओके, कमीशन आपको किस पे चार्ज करना है? हमेशा सेल्स पे करना है. नाउ ही इज सेलिंग गुड्स एट 20,000 रुपीज. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट कमीशन ऑन 20,000 रुपीज. अगर इफ ही इज सेलिंग गुड्स ऑन 50,000, okay, then definitely we will charge commission on 50,000. Are you understanding? If he is selling goods for rupees 50,000, then we will give commission on 50,000. Presently he is selling goods on 20,000. Okay, he is selling goods for 20,000. So we are going to charge commission on 20,000. So here working note करेंगे हम लोग for your understanding. Working note. Okay. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कमीशन. कमीशन हम लोग हमेशा सेल्स पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो 20,000 इंटू 5% मतलब क्या है? 5/100. This zero will get cancelled. This zero will get cancelled. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. Commission कितना हुआ? 1000. So here I will write 1000. Okay, again here it is to Krishna. So here I will write by consignment account 1000. That's it. Apart from it हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. Now we need to find out whether we got profit or loss. Okay, so here what is the total of my credit? Credit side is nothing but our income side. Our income side total is 20,000. What is the total of debit? Debit is our expense side. Okay, see 12,000, 13,900. 13,900. So income is more than our expense. So we will get a profit. What is a profit? 6,100 rupees profit we are making, right? So here I will write 20,000 to profit, in bracket write balancing figure 6,100. Is that clear to you? Yes. Now here 20,000, here I will write 20,000 by balance carry forward or by balance due. See 20,000 minus, यहाँ पे we will try to do 20,000 minus total 1,900. 18,100. Balancing figure will be 18,100. And here the entire balance we will transfer to trading account. It's very basic sum, students. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे. We are just putting everything in our format. Apart from it, everything is normal or common. Okay. कोई हम लोग rocket science नहीं कर रहे. बहुत easy है ये. Okay. So this was in the books of Gopal. Okay. Now here I'll prepare in the books of okay. Now in the books of Krishna, okay, Gopal हो गया. In the books of Gopal, how many ledgers we prepare? 3 ledgers: consignment, consignee और GSOC. ओके जब हम लोग गोपाल थे तो हमारे लिए 3 चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी. एक था हमारा बिजनेस, एक था द पर्सन टू हुम वी आर सेंडिंग गुड्स, एंड थर्ड थिंग वाज आवर गुड्स. ओके नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स ऑन कृष्णा, कृष्णा कौन है? बेसिकली कृष्णा आपका दोस्त हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो कंसाइनी है. ओके सो इन द बुक्स ऑफ कृष्णा, कृष्णा के लिए सिर्फ एक ही बंदा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अ पर्सन फ्रॉम whom he is going to get money. Okay, that is his consignor. कृष्णा के लिए बाकी सारी चीज़ें वेस्ट है. For him only one thing is important, that is Gopal. He will prepare only one account, that is Gopal's account. Who is a Gopal? Gopal is consignor. ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है स्टूडेंट्स. इसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट, सारे उल्टे काम करने हैं आपको जो आप हमेशा करते रहते हो ना क्लास में. सो हियर इट्स टू कंसाइनमेंट 20,000. इन गोपाल्स इट विल बी बाय कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट 20,000. हियर इट इज बाय कंसाइनमेंट 900. हियर आई विल राइट टू कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट 900. Then here to consignment account it will be 1,000, and to balance carry forward in bracket write balancing figure if you want. How much? 18,100. That's it. 20,000. Here also I will write 20,000. Okay, I am writing commas, no need to write. Okay, So students, this was problem number 3, okay, of page number 94. बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है. Tomorrow again in the next class we will do the basic sum only, and then from the next to next class we are going to learn another one important concept, that is the valuation of unsold stock. उसका story क्या है, कैसे रहेगा, that I will keep on updating you students, and meanwhile if you are having doubts पूछते रहो, ओके, डरो मत. यू आर फील फ्री टू आस्क मी योर डाउट्स. ज़रूरी नहीं है, अगेन वट एवर आई हैव सेड इन द बिगिनिंग, अगेन मैं आपको रिपीट कर रही हूँ. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग डाउट्स इन डिप्रिसिएशन, सिंगल एंट्री जो हम लोगों ने बहुत पहले किया है, कोई चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आ रही है, पर्टिकुलर सम आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज़ डोंट फील एनीथिंग, फील कंफर्टेबल एंड आस्क मी, ओके. जो भी डाउट्स है पूछते रहो, एंड नो डाउट ऑफलाइन इंटरेक्शन भले ही पॉसिबल ना हो, लेकिन थ्रू फोन और मे बी थ्रू एनी डिजिटल फॉर्मेट वी विल ट्राई टू डेवलप इंटरेक्शन, ओके. हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन डेवलप करेंगे. हैव अ गुड डे, टेक केयर.